We all desire a workplace where we feel valued and respected. A positive work environment is essential for our well-being and productivity. It allows us to thrive and reach our full potential. Unfortunately, not all workplaces are created equal. Some are plagued by negativity and toxicity, often stemming from the person in charge. A toxic boss can create a stressful and demoralizing atmosphere. This can impact not only our work performance, but also our mental and emotional health. It is essential to recognize the signs of a toxic work environment and take steps to protect ourselves. Remember, you deserve to work in a place that supports your growth and well-being. A healthy workplace is built on trust, respect, and open communication. It values its employees and empowers them to do their best work. When we feel supported and appreciated, we are more likely to be engaged and productive. We're also more likely to stay with a company long-term. Toxic bosses can manifest in many forms. Sometimes their behavior is obvious and overt. Other times, it can be subtle and insidious. Learning to recognize the signs is the first step towards protecting ourselves. One common trait is a lack of empathy. They are often dismissive of their employees' feelings and concerns. They may micromanage every aspect of your work, leaving you feeling suffocated and undervalued. Another red flag is a constant need for control. Toxic bosses often thrive on creating a culture of fear and intimidation. They may publicly humiliate employees or use threats to get their way. You might notice a pattern of bullying or belittling behavior. Another sign is a lack of accountability. Toxic bosses rarely take responsibility for their actions. They are quick to blame others and deflect criticism. Dealing with a toxic boss can be challenging, but it is not impossible. There are practical strategies you can employ to navigate this difficult situation. One effective approach is to focus on setting boundaries. Make it clear what you are and are not willing to tolerate. When communicating with your boss, remain calm, professional, and assertive. Document everything, including dates, times, and specific examples of their toxic behavior. This documentation can be helpful if you need to escalate the situation to HR or seek legal advice. Try to separate your work life from your personal life as much as possible. Remember that your boss's behavior is a reflection of them, not you. Focus on what you can control, such as your own actions and reactions. Section 4. Maintaining your well-being in a toxic work environment. Working under a toxic boss can take a toll on our mental and emotional well-being. It is crucial to prioritize self-care during these trying times. Make time for activities that bring you joy and help you de-stress. Engage in hobbies, spend time with loved ones, or simply relax and recharge. Exercise is a fantastic way to relieve stress and boost your mood. A healthy diet and sufficient sleep are also essential for maintaining your physical and mental health. Remember to acknowledge your feelings and allow yourself to feel them. It is okay to feel frustrated, angry, or hurt. Section 5. Seeking support and setting boundaries. Remember that you are not alone in this. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, or colleagues. Talking about your experiences can provide a much-needed outlet and a fresh perspective. If your company has an HR department, consider reporting your boss's behavior to them. Setting boundaries is crucial when dealing with a toxic boss. This includes setting limits on your availability and refusing to engage in unhealthy work dynamics. Remember that you have the right to say no to unreasonable demands or expectations. Section 6. Moving forward. Hope and empowerment. Dealing with a toxic boss can be a challenging and draining experience. However, it is important to remember that you are not defined by your circumstances. You have the power to choose how you respond to difficult situations. Use this experience as an opportunity for growth and learning. Identify your values and priorities, and seek out work environments that align with them. Remember that you deserve to work in a place where you feel respected, valued, and empowered. Moving forward, you may choose to stay and navigate the situation strategically, or you may decide to explore other job opportunities. Whatever you decide, do it with your well-being in mind. Your mental and emotional health is paramount.